Just started recording right now.
Just do it. Now they're recording?
Yes.
So like,
Yes. Alright, listen. Okay, a right triangle. Okay, we talked a little bit about this when we were talking about the hypotenuse Pythagorean theorem, right? Okay, so A and B are my two sides that are connected to my right angle. Those are called what? Legs. Okay, so A and B are my legs. C is the side opposite the right angle. That is called the hypotenuse. Not the arm, the hypotenuse. Okay? Be careful when you are finding the hypotenuse because sometimes they're going to be like that, right? And then when you're talking hypotenuse, it's always opposite that right angle. So now it's going to be in a different position. Be careful with that. Okay? Pythagorean theorem. Okay, we find it to use missing sides of what kind of a triangle?
Right triangle.
It only works with the right triangle. Okay, and who's got the formula for me?
A squared plus b squared equals c squared.
A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So the sum of my two, the square of my two sides equals the square of my hypotenuse. Alright, so if we're looking at number one, am I looking for my hypotenuse or my legs? I'm looking for my hypotenuse. So how can I set this up?
8 squared plus 7 squared equals
8 squared plus 7 squared equals x squared or c squared. Either one that you want to put down, that's fine. Okay, so what is 8 squared?
64.
64 plus 49 equals 8. X squared, so 64 plus 49? 113 equals x squared. Now, how do I get from x squared to x?
Divided by 2.
Not divided by 2, square root. I gotta take square root of both sides. So x equals, that would be a good idea, calculator, very good idea, so you're not pushing answers off of everyone else.
actually 11.
If it was 10, it would be 100. If it was 11, it would be 121. Okay, let's read the directions.
That's why I said
Let's read through the directions. Round to the nearest tenth. So 10.6.
I have a question. How do you get calculator?
Square root.
calculated.
Whatever your square root button is.
Oh, yes. I got it.
Alright, so do number 2. My leg lengths are
15 and 18 potential.
15 squared plus 18 squared equals x squared. So 15 squared is
225.
25 plus
324.
equals x squared. Add them together, I get
549.
49 equals x squared, and so x is
23.4.
23.4 if we decide to do that correctly. Alright, so be careful with number 3, because are you looking for the hypotenuse or are you looking for a leg? I'm looking for a leg, so if I'm going to set this up, I've got to set it up as 6 squared, there you go, equals 13 squared. So 6 squared is plus x squared equals 169. So x squared equals 133. So we got to subtract. Square root x is